Responsive web design. Take a look at the HSC website here. At the top you can see two columns, then it breaks into three different columns. If we're to reduce the size of the page, say go from desktop to tablet or even further on to smartphone size, notice the information that was in the right hand columns is completely lost. Therefore, all you're getting is the index link on the left hand side, or perhaps the contents of the first column. This needs to be addressed in a manner that the information is not being lost to the visitor. Responsive design or responsive web design consists of fluid grids and media queries. Now, if you look at the Boston Globe's websites, they have three columns going from left to right. But as you come further down the page, you can see that there are actually 5 columns here. And this page, the uniqueness of this page or this web design is that when we reduce the size of the page, say from desktop again to tablet size, notice that the stories are trying to maintain their consistency, but the columns are getting more narrow. In an effort to maintain some consistency and ease of use for the user of the website, it's now dropped down to 2 columns, which would be tablet form. And if you go into a single column, it's still trying to hold some consistency to the site and give some form of quality to the actual visitor to the site. Notice you can see the full graphics. They are reduced in size due to the size of the device of which you're looking at the web page. But when we expand it again out to the full page, you notice that everything comes back to normal. We're back to tablet size now, and then onto full desktop. Basically, instead of dividing into pixels, usually the width is 960, so you could have 3 columns of 320. Instead, it uses a percentage so that it maintains the information and reduces it by a percentage if it's getting tighter. So you still have the same information, but it's just at a measured and dedicated percentage of its original size. The 2 things that make this happen successfully are fluid grids and media queries. Remembering that fluid grids actually divide the width of the screen into percentages, and media queries try to utilize the media to the best possible benefit of the user. I hope you enjoyed watching this brief description on responsive web design. Thank you.